3, 2.
Alright, here we're looking at the exhaust system. We're about to remove it.
This is my first rodeo.
Not everyone gets to do the power tools. I thought he said leave.
13 who?
13 watt.
You guys look like a bunch of doctors over here.
We're filming the operation.
Look at that. A quarter of it's already done.
Oh, that's tight. I need
What do we need?
B, where's the WD-40? We're not taking the bottom one off though, guys.
Roger that. When you do one side, that's it. You know what I'm saying?
It's always one side easier.
Holy fuck, Kiki. Have you been smoking?
Bracket Gil.
The fucking bracket. You just.
Gil, you had the bracket, Gil.
Come on, Gil.
Kiki, Where?
Here. Okay, so we just finished installing top gear, muffler, took these out, get muffler delete, replaced it with these. Very easy to install, simple to fit, couple bolts here and there, but stay tuned, we're gonna do the startup right now.
Oh.